Kickstarter's data has a bit of nonsense in it, particularly when it's talking about how much money it helped raise versus how much money you helped raise. And I want creators to know about this so that they can give themselves proper credit and know how much their inputs are paying off in terms of outputs. So here's an example. We just finished up this campaign a week and a half ago. The Widow's Tier, my wife's third book in her series, it raised a little over $5,000. Kickstarter claims that of what was pledged, 70% of it gives credit to via Kickstarter, and 26% or the other 30% it gives to us. All right. This is inaccurate. Okay. When it says pledged via Kickstarter, that does not mean Kickstarter really went out there and got these people for you and helped you raise 70%. And here's where you're going to see it, because it lists out where all of this came from. So first it gives us direct traffic, no refer. That's us. Great. Thank you. That's 24% of our 26%. Okay. Then right at the top, email automated new project from creator you've backed. So it takes credit for every automated email from creator you've backed, but who got those backers in our previous, for my wife's previous books? The creator. We got those. All right. All 19 of those pledges, that credit should go to us. Okay. So there's another 12%. Project followers. Who got the followers? That was us. So there's another 6%. So 24, you know what, let's pull out a little calculator here. All right, so we have 24% plus 12% plus 6%. We're now at 42%. Let's keep going. All right, creator tab, I'll give that to them. That can be theirs. Discovery landing page, that can be theirs. App recommended homepage, that can be theirs. Email project update. That was us updating previous projects to say, hey, you back the first book or you back the second book, third book's here, go back it. That belongs to us. We did that work. They're just the platform that it happened on. So there's another 5% to us. All right. App search. What were they searching for? 50-50. Maybe they were searching for the Widow's Tier. Maybe they were searching supernatural fiction. I'm going to give us half of that credit. So there's another 2% toward us. All right. Profile saved projects. They again take credit for that. They saved our project. They saved our profile. That's 4% more to us. All right. We're now over the 50% mark. We were at barely the 30% mark. All right. So let's see here. Discovery referral code, that can be them. Email transactional, not even sure what that is. They pushed it. They have an activity feed. That can be theirs. Linktree is ours. Creator update. Who made the update? The creator. So that other 1%, that goes to us. All right. Last chance to back reminder. Who does that get sent to? That gets sent to project followers who belong to us, who we got there. So there's another 1% to us. All right. Recommended footer. That's them. Email automated project launches friends. Who's friends? It's not Kickstarter's friends. It's our friends. That's another 1% to us. All right. So now we can see that proper credit given to effort put in. Everything that Kickstarter took credit for here was automations that we love and we depend on. We love Kickstarter. Okay. I have nothing wrong with what Kickstarter does, but I fear that new creators are going to misunderstand how much their efforts are paying off because they're not being allocated properly in the reporting. And so I just wanted to give you this information, give you these tools to say, here's how to look at the reporting to actually measure your impact on your project. And our impact is measured very, very, I think, realistically at 50 to 56%. Best of luck to you. And I look forward to showing you some more insights in the future. You have a good one.